Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of this DJI Mic Mini. Recently purchased this from Amazon because it was recommended. It was fairly mid-priced. I think it was under $100, maybe even like $80, something around there. And I think it's going to do everything that I need it to do. I hope so anyway. I know that there's a newer version with more features and more stuff, but I don't know that that's really going to do anything for me. So anyway, let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. Boy, I've got no idea how to open these things anymore. Pretty nice. Let's get this sort of high quality plastic here. Plastic bag. Alright. Pretty sweet actually. I'm guessing this is the charging case. Booklet. I like this. Actually, the case is pretty sweet there. Looks like press to unlock. Alright. It's a bunch of, oh, I guess this is the goods. It's already beeping. We've got, let's see, I don't know what those are. That I'm guessing is the receiver, transmitters, USB-C. Obviously this is the charging. Wow, look at that, already lighting up. And let's see what we got in here. Cables. Alright, so this is a 3.5mm mic jack, another USB-C to USB-A. Looks like these are cut noise. So, alright, pretty good. Looks like good quality stuff. It's already connected, things are glowing, no idea how to use it. But, well, it's cut here and I'll hook these up and see how it sounds. Okay, well, that was very, very easy, and hopefully you're hearing this now through the DJI mini mic, and wow, I can't believe how easy that was to set up. I do have the media mod on my GoPro, which I'm filming on right now, and I just used a 3.5mm cable, plugged right into that, seems to have detected it, and hopefully it sounds really good. The thing is very light, it's very small. Anyway, hopefully everything sounds much better from here on out. And I'll be using this with a with my Sony cameras too when I get those set up in the future, hopefully very soon. Okay, this pretty impressive so far. Everything looks really high quality. All the parts are included. It seems to just come right together out of the box, even charged up and everything. So I guess that's wow, DJI, that's pretty impressive for 80 bucks. This is unbelievable. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.